Hello and welcome to today's video. We're going to look at the tabs, organizing the tabs at the bottom of your worksheet. So if you look at the worksheet, at the bottom of mine I have 365 tabs, graph, football teams, users, target, database, and so on. Now, you can see, in fact, I have too many here, it's not able to show them all. So I can go to the next one here. And so on. If you want to look at a list of them all, you can go to these arrows at the left-hand end and right-click, and it will give you a list of all your tabs, and you can select one that way if it's not one that you can see right now. If you want to create a new one, you can just go to this plus tab here, and it will create a new one. I'm going to undo that. If you want to rearrange the order, so you can, if I want to take this users one and move it to next to names, I can simply hold down the right mouse or the right touchpad and move it to where I want it. So I can move graphs to be next to use targets, anything like that. Okay, one other thing you can do, let's say you want to copy a database. So you go to the highlights of the name of the database. Let's say you want to copy a tab. So you go to the tab, highlight the name of it, and right-click. And there's an item here, move or copy. Click on that one. If you just want to move it, you can move it within the list of tabs on this one, which I just showed you how to do a different way by holding down the left mouse and moving it. Or you can move it to a different book. So if you have other Excel files open, you can move it to them, or you can move it to a new book. Or if you're not wanting to move it, but you want to copy it, you tick this one, create a copy, and again, you can create a copy in a new book if you want, or you can create any one here. So this says before sheet, so if I want it to be before the name sheet, I click on names there and enter, and I will get a copy. So this database is now database 2. Use this a lot where you have a template, like a master, which you copy, say, every week or every month to create a new one. Okay, another thing you can do using the right click there is you can make your tab a particular color. So you might want to make them all different colors, or you might want to choose a very important one. Let's say I'm going to make this one red, and now I have a red tab at the bottom. And if I want to delete a tab, you just go to the tab. So I'm going to delete this database 2 that we just created. Right-click and delete. And it will check that you want to delete on purpose and go. It's gone. So you can do a whole lot of things. Arrange the tabs if you want to arrange them in some order, some logical order or alphabetical order. Or if you want to highlight ones by making them colored, you can do all that kind of things with your tabs. So that's all for today. Hope there's something useful for you there. See you again tomorrow.